Ow, stupid lawnmower. Stand these things. So useless, they don't even work right. Rather stay home and watch Mark Martin. That Mark Martin, man. Best driver. Wow! My very own Mark Martin race car riding lawnmower. Cool! If you are one of those people who just love Mark Martin, then check out the new Mark Martin riding lawnmower. It has everything you want. Else, new limited edition color, even Mark Martin's signature. So if you're one of those people who just love Mark Martin, then you gotta get the new Mark Martin riding lawnmower. Just listen to our satisfied customer. I used to ride and mow the yard all the time, even though I wanted to watch the race, but I couldn't. Now that I finally got my new Mark Martin riding lawnmower, I can do whatever I want. Get the brand new Mark Martin lawnmower today. Only for $195.